Hey there, Chem 1030 students. I'm Professor Bean. I thought maybe it would be nice to put a face with a name, etc. And I just wanted to pop in real quick and say that as I was looking over your intro discussion board assignments, a lot of people suggested that the hardest part of this class is going to be the math. A couple of you said this was going to be the easiest part, but several people said this is going to be the hardest part. And I know a lot of students think that, but I just wanted to say that there's math in this course, and if you don't know it, you don't know it yet. And you have lots and lots of resources to help you. Professor Molish is going to be in the Learning Commons today. If you're seeing this on Wednesday from 2 to 4 this afternoon, I'll put a link to the Learning Commons in the news item that you're looking at. She's going to be there tomorrow from 10 to 12, so you can get help from the instructor who wrote the material. Um, Let me just ask you again, if you think that you don't know math, it's simply that you don't know the math that we need you to know yet. Please ask for help. We've got a discussion board to put questions on, copy and paste a question, not from any quiz or anything like that, but you can get help on your assignments in Pearson. There's an assignment due in Pearson kind of quickly. Your due dates for chapter 1, and chapter 1 is the math chapter. You've just got to get through chapter 1, and then the math and the rest of the semester will be easier. But the due dates for chapter 1 aren't until the end of next week, but you will also have chapter 2 due. So try to get chapter 1 done, wrapped up by the end of the weekend, if at all possible. I'll be talking to you a little bit more on Friday about finishing up week 1 and starting week 2, but try to get all of chapter 1 done by the end of the weekend. And like in all likelihood, you'll get most of it done, but there still might be a couple things that you need help with. And then at that point, you can ask, and you'll just have those few items to finish up. So try really hard. Keep going through the problems on Pearson. Skip the ones that you're struggling with. And if you find yourself skipping lots of them, go back and post a question on the discussion board. And either Professor Molish or I will jump in and we'll help you with that, or maybe a classmate will jump in and help you with that. But let me encourage you, get through chapter 1 math. You can do this. Once you get through the chapter 1 math, anything that's still a little fuzzy, you'll have time when we get to it later in the semester to review and refresh, and then you'll really get it. So just get as much as you can out of it, do as well as you can. Don't let it discourage you, because we're trying to set you up to be able to get the rest of the modules, the math that you need in the rest of the modules when we need those skills that you're learning in this first one. So you're going to have an opportunity to practice more and more. You don't have to be perfect after this first chapter. I mean, it's great if you are, but you don't have to be successful in this class. Trust me when I tell you that. Y'all have a good rest of your week. Have a good weekend. I'll be talking with you again on Friday about wrapping up this week and beginning the next one. And I look forward to conversing with you on the discussion boards and an email if you've got any questions. Y'all have a good day.